In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell a currency pair on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the chart for the currency pair you want to trade. This could be a pair like Euro/USD, GBP/USD, or any other market you plan to sell. After opening the chart, move to the right side of the platform and find the New Order panel. If you do not see it there, you can also click New Order from the top toolbar. This will open the order entry window and allow you to prepare your trade. Next, check that the correct currency pair is selected in the order panel. This is an important step because you want to make sure you are placing the sell order on the intended market. Once the pair is confirmed, enter the trade size you want to use in the quantity or lots field. Choose an amount that fits your trading plan and account size. After that, you can set a stop loss and a take profit if you want to manage your risk and define your exit levels in advance. Now take a moment to review the order details shown on the screen. Look at the estimated margin, pip value, and any other information provided in the panel. This helps you confirm that the trade size and settings are correct before you place the order. When everything looks right, click the orange Sell button. This sends your order to the market. You will then need to wait briefly while the platform executes the trade. After the order has been processed, go to the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. Here you will see your active trade listed. Review the details of the new position and confirm that your sell order has been opened successfully. At this point, your sell trade is live, and you can monitor it directly from the platform. If needed, you can later adjust your stop loss or take profit from the open position window, depending on your trading strategy and market conditions. That is the full process for selling a currency pair on Pepperstone using Creator. Follow each step carefully, review your order details before confirming, and make sure the position appears in the Positions tab after execution. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.